In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change macros on MyFitnessPal. First, open your preferred web browser and search for MyFitnessPal. You will see a list of search results. Look for the official MyFitnessPal website. This typically appears at or near the top of the search results. Clicking on the correct link is crucial. It ensures that you're accessing the legitimate site. This step sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. Next, you will need to log in to your MyFitnessPal account. If you already have credentials saved in your browser, you might be taken directly to your dashboard. Otherwise, enter your username and password in the provided fields. After filling in your details, click the Login button. This step is significant because it gives you access to your personal data. You will see your dashboard once logged in, a central hub for your fitness journey. Now look at the top of your dashboard. You will find several tabs. Click on the My Home tab. This tab is essential as it leads you to various options related to your profile. By selecting this, you are one step closer to adjusting your nutritional settings. It's designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it should feel intuitive. From there, locate the Goals option directly underneath the My Home tab. Click on it to access your current nutrition goals. This section is where you can view and modify your dietary targets. Understanding your goals is essential for achieving your fitness objectives. You will see various metrics that can be adjusted, making it an important step in personalizing your experience. After that, look for the Edit button next to the Daily Nutrition Goals header. Clicking this button allows you to make changes to your current macro settings. This is a vital action because it opens up the options you need to customize your nutrition plan. Once you click it, the interface will change, presenting you with new options to adjust your macros. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, you will see drop-down menus for selecting your new macro percentages or gram targets. Use these menus to set your desired values for macronutrients. You can adjust your targets based on your fitness goals, be it weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance. This step is critical because it tailors your nutrition plan to your specific needs. You want to ensure you're getting the right balance for your body. Once you have selected your new macro settings, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This action ensures that all your adjustments are recorded and implemented. It's important to save your changes to avoid losing the new settings. After you click Save, a confirmation message will appear, reassuring you that your updates were successful. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed your macros on MyFitnessPal. Remember, adjusting your nutrition goals can significantly impact your fitness journey. Regularly reviewing and updating your macros keeps your diet aligned with your objectives. This proactive approach can lead to better results and a more fulfilling experience. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.